Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into the battle of the cleaning titans. On my left, we have the Bissell SpinWave cordless pet mop, perfect for those of you who love pets but hate the mess they make. And on my right, we have the Waitbird steam cleaner, which claims to clean everything except your ex's bad habits. Let's get cleaning. First up, let's talk about price. The Bissell SpinWave is priced at $154, while the Waitbird steam cleaner is a steal at $139. Reviewers appreciate the affordability of the Waitbird, especially those on a budget, while others are willing to pay a bit more for the Bissell due to its quality and effectiveness on pet messes. So if you're feeling fancy and want to splurge on a mop, go for the Bissell. But if you're on a budget and would rather save that $15 for something important, like a pizza, the Waitbird might be your best friend. Next, let's tackle cleaning power. The Bissell boasts powerful spinning mop pads that restore your floor's natural shine, making it a favorite among reviewers who struggle with grout lines and everyday messes. Meanwhile, the Waitbird produces steam up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit. Reviewers love its ability to tackle tough grime and stains, making it perfect for deep cleaning. So, if you want to scrub away grime with a gentle touch, the Bissell is your buddy. But if you want to unleash the fury of 1,000 suns on your dirt, the Waitbird is like the Hulk of cleaning. Now, let's talk runtime. The Bissell gives you 20 minutes of cordless freedom, which some users find sufficient for small spaces or quick cleanups. However, many reviewers express a desire for longer battery life. On the other hand, the Waitbird has a 38 ounces tank that heats up in under 5 minutes and gives you a whopping 45 minutes of high-temp steam. Users rave about the extended cleaning sessions, making it ideal for larger homes. That's enough time to steam clean your entire house or write a novel about how much you love cleaning. Let's not forget about ease of use. The Bissell has on-demand spray control, which is great for those messes you didn't see coming. Reviewers mention its lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver. Meanwhile, the Waitbird has a built-in child safety lock and is praised for its user-friendly assembly and operation. Because nothing says family-friendly like a steam cleaner that can also double as a dragon. Just make sure your kids stay away or they might end up with a new hairstyle. Smoky chic. And finally, let's chat eco-friendliness. The Bissell is safe on sealed hard floors and supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, which resonates with pet owners. Reviewers appreciate this commitment to helping animals. Meanwhile, the Waitbird is all about that chemical-free life, using just water to produce steam. It's like the hippie of cleaning devices. Just don't expect it to show up at your yoga class. Both products have their eco-friendly merits, appealing to different kinds of users. Overall, the Bissell SpinWave is highly praised for its ease of use and effectiveness, especially for pet owners, despite some concerns about battery life. The Waitbird steam cleaner, on the other hand, is celebrated for its powerful steam and versatility, making it a favorite for deep cleaning tasks. So after all this cleaning chaos, which one should you choose? If you want a fancy mop that spins like a disco dancer and supports a good cause, go with the Bissell. However, if you prefer steam power and a cleaning experience that feels like you're wielding a fire-breathing dragon, the Waitbird is your go-to. Remember, whether you're Team Bissell or Team Waitbird, the most important part is to keep your floors clean and your life clutter-free. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more epic product showdowns. Until next time, keep buying smart.